On the Pfaff Creative icon, you have the ability to adjust how firm this foot comes down and sits on the fabric. So why is that important? You might find yourself, if you've ever found yourself sewing and your fabric comes out wavy, that could happen on fleece or knit fabrics. Well, what's happening is the foot is pushing down on the fabric so much that while it's being stitched, it's also getting stretched. Now, I will tell you with this machine and its famous IDT system, or integrated dual feed here, you will find that feeding system from the top, working with the feed dogs down below, will actually solve a lot of that problem. But if you're really having some issues, you have some very, very stretchy fabrics or just fabrics that are not feeding to your liking, you can go into the settings area and you will find your presser foot pressure. So 6.5 is normal. So if you need less pressure, take it down about halfway. So down at the 3 to 3.5 level and watch the difference. This foot is now looser and it will come down and gently sit on your fabric and it'd be more hovering across it instead of pushing down and pressing and squishing that particular fabric. So that is an option that allows you to change the foot pressure. You can also kind of change a similar version of that when you are doing free motion ruler work. You will find that your foot pressure, or how far that foot comes down, also comes up around here. It's not the same, but it is. So same but different. It's how far that foot comes down in relationship to your ruler foot and the ruler set you're working with. So just know that there's more than one place that you can change things around. I'm going to go ahead and make sure I didn't change it. Foot pressure back to normal. Oh, it goes off when I'm in free motion mode. So let's just do that. Turn everybody back off. And yes, I am back to normal pressure is 6.5.